A lot of things that I used to do, I couldn't do. I usually walked like 2 miles every night, and I couldn't do that anymore. Mostly golf.
Oh, I've had trouble for many, many years. People used to get frightened about the way my ankle would hang out over my shoe. But I have a high tolerance for pain, and I don't like to let things hold me back in doing fun stuff that I love to do. And tennis is fun.
My name is Jay Murphy, and I'm a retired electronic engineer. I've been retired now 15 years.
My name is Alyce Jay, and I've been living in this state of Florida in Paradise since 1972.
It progressively got worse and was diagnosed as bone on bone, and ultimately came down to the ankle replacement was the answer.
Hi, Steve Lasday with West Coast Podiatry Center. In the 27 years since I've been in practice, there have been so many advances. And one of the things that's most important to me in our practice is that we make available to our patients all of the techniques that have the most value to get people better and are state of the art. And this is a way to hear about one of the techniques that we do here.
We're here to talk about total ankle replacement today, and it's becoming more commonplace in today's medicine. It's basically a joint replacement for the ankle joint.
My name is Eric Von Herbulis.
My name is Robert Gerker. Definitely post-traumatic arthritis is a reason we would consider total ankle replacement. Old injuries, old sprains leading to instability can cause wear and tear of the cartilage, more bone-on-bone contact, leading to pain, joint grinding, instability, whatnot, that certainly we could improve that motion and function.
Well, the first joint replacements I think came out in the 70s, and they initially were modeled on things like the total hip replacements, which the ankle has its own unique anatomy and adjacent joints that have to be considered in terms of the biomechanics. Since that time, they have evolved and improved considerably. The earlier models had relatively high complication rates and failure rates. That has really improved considerably to the point where now it is a very reasonable, viable option for end-stage ankle arthritis.
About 8 months ago, I had the surgery, yes. And of course I was in a cast and then in a boot and had rehab.
I love this ankle. The truth is, I'm playing better now than I did when I was in my 70s. I'm moving better, and I just am so much happier.
Feels good, yeah. The ankle's working good. Yeah, I'm back playing golf now, so it's good.
Oh dear, alive. I'm alive again. It's nice to have two ankles that look alike.
I couldn't ask for any better service.
So many of our patients are active well into their later years. That's why we all moved to Florida, to get out and enjoy life. That's what life's all about. So if you find that your ankle is stopping you from doing whatever it is that makes life worth living, tennis, golf, taking a walk, being with the family, then come on in. We'll have one of our surgeons talk to you and see if this is a right procedure for you.